like crazy. What's for dinner?
I think there's a pizza in the freezer.
Oh, there's a pizza in the freezer? Okay, I guess I'll put it in the oven then. What the? Jess, I think the fridge is broken. Everything is melted.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, the fridge isn't working.
Okay, I'll just put the pizza in there anyway, but let me just turn it on. The power is on, but it's not heating up. Is this broken too?
Oh yeah, the stove's not working either. Just call Nick.
All right, I'm calling Nick.
Hello? Citra?
Hey Nick, I just wanted to call and let you know our fridge doesn't seem to be working. Our stove seems to not be working either. I'm stressed. I don't know what to do. We're hungry.
Hey, don't worry. Yes, the appliances are covered on the home warranty program.
Oh, hold on. I think someone's at the door. Nick?
Hey, Citra. Bon appetit.